Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a very special video for you all. It's a Halloween makeup look, and without wasting any time, let's get right into it.
Here I have used concealer from Blue Heaven. It is a very nice concealer in a price range, and a beauty blender to blend it. It is a palette from Sivana, and I've used it bronze shade from it on my crease to give it a transition color. And now use black eyeshadow to give a definition to your eyes and make it look more gothic. I have used same black color to fill in my eyebrows, and I have filled it more than I usually do to make it look more popped out. Use any kajal you like. I have used a normal kajal from Avon and smudged it with the help of a cotton bud. Now use a flat brush and the same palette to bronze your face and add definition to it. As you can see, I am going more than what usually everyone should, because we are going for a Halloween look and it should add some height and shadows to your face. Now add some black eyeshadow to make it more gothic. Add black eyeshadow wherever you need and you want to add a depth. Now use any eyeliner you like. I love Lakme eyeliner. It is very convenient to use, and I'm adding details to make it look more popped out. Add few stitches and highlights to make it look popped out. The fun part about Halloween look is you can play around and make anything you like. Add some eyeliner and mascara. And here is a finished look. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!